If you want to highlight your row looking something like this is how you do it. Place your cursor somewhere in your dataset table like this and press Ctrl A to select your whole dataset table. It should highlight everything on your dataset table. So next thing you're gonna have to do is go to Home, Style, Conditional Formatting. In here, you're gonna select New Rule, and then you're gonna say Use a Formula, and this is the formula you'll be using. Once that's done, click on Format. This pop-up window will appear. You're gonna select a fill, and then select the color that you like, red, orange, whatever you like. I'm going to select orange here. I'm going to click OK and OK one more time. So right now, your highlight is actually static. To make it dynamic, you're going to right click on your worksheet name and then go View Code. And in here, you're going to change from General to Worksheet like this. And it should produce a subroutine that looks something like that. And you're going to type this command called Target.Calculate like that. Once that's done, press Ctrl S to save your VBA code, and then you're gonna close the VBA editor like that. Now if you were to click anywhere on your table, the row will be highlighted nicely for you there.